Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely T-Roc Cabriolet style we've currently got for sale, finished in a lovely petrol blue metallic. It's got that 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, and you'll have peace of mind motoring this vehicle as well with the full Volkswagen service history. Starting off at the front, as LED headlamps provide a fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side you've got the optionally fitted 17-inch Johannesburg alloy wheels, as well as power folding heated wing mirrors. There's also a couple of USB-C ports in the back for rear passengers. And there's a generous amount of boot space also available with the split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple suitcases. She's got a lovely pattern cloth upholstery with a contrasting white stitching, with ISOFIX points in both rear seats. Towards the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel alongside an adjustable centre armrest. Just behind the wheel you've got that optionally fitted digital cockpit pro, and you also benefit from that heated steering wheel. Alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps and your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's plenty of assistance systems also available to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times. And to help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings, which is backed up by this optionally fitted rear view camera. Moving a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust with heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. There's also a little bit of storage below with a couple of USB-C ports. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.